Hi everybody, I hope you're all blessed among the Lord. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a few news articles. But before I do that, I just first of all want to thank you all who have been supporting my channel. For those of you who know me well, I don't do this for me. I don't make any money off YouTube. I don't plan on making any money off YouTube. I'm lucky to have as many subscribers as I do, and I'm basically here just to get the message out and blow my trumpet and let everyone know that Jesus is coming soon and that we need to be ready. Things are definitely moving at a rapid pace. Things are increasing every day. I'm going to show you an example of that today. Guys, we need to stay ready. Stay close to Jesus. Forget about the things of this world. This world is going to pass away. It is only a moment in time. This world is going to pass us, and before you know it, Jesus is going to be here face to face with us. Like, look at how fast the day goes. Look at how fast time is going. Like, we need to stay ready, and we need to just keep spending time with Jesus and getting to know him and purifying ourselves and washing ourselves. And a huge battle beginning, a warring against the saints of the Most High. And I just wanted to explain, if you are transgender or gay or lesbian, I just wanted to let you know God loves you, but he made you to be male or female. And we don't tell people this because we hate you or anything. We love you. And, God loves you. And he just wants you to follow the right path. And he doesn't want you to try to fill your life with voids that will never make you happy. The only thing that will make you happy is fully living for Jesus Christ and believing in him and asking him to clean you and cleanse you every day so that you can be ready for the kingdom. He loves you so much, so please don't take this the wrong way. There is a warring against Christianity, and this is one of the ways they're going to do it. So I'm going to show you all these news articles, and I love you all, and I pray that you have a blessed day as well. God bless.
United States Supreme Court told the commission that they were being hostile to my faith and that they can't do that. And yet this case shows hostility again towards my faith.
Autumn Scardina could have called any bakery. She called Masterpiece on the day the court announced it would hear the same-sex wedding cake case and asked Mr. Phillips to make a pink and blue cake to celebrate the anniversary of her gender transition. Phillips said he wouldn't create such a cake because God made male and female and that we don't get a choice to change that. Scardina then filed a complaint with the Civil Rights Division, which ruled that Masterpiece Cake Shop denied her equal enjoyment of a place of public accommodation. Phillips' attorney says the state is ignoring the previous Supreme Court ruling.
The Supreme Court found this hostility towards Jack's faith for two reasons. One, because the commission made hostile statements to him about his beliefs, and because the state was treating Jack unequally. They were allowing other cake artists to decline messages that they didn't want to create, but they were punishing Jack when he did the very same thing.
Many felt the is, guys. Yeah, he's